if I'm the Los Angeles Lakers and I just upgraded from a 1987 Honda Accord to a 2019 Rolls Royce. My prediction is that it will be the Lakers in the Western Conference Finals next
So
year.
LA got LeBron James. How spoiled can one city be? 20 years of Kobe, a couple of lean years, but now we're back in the candy store, and I say we because I recently just moved back to Cali. Been a big Lakers / Kobe fan since 2000, so don't get it twisted. So let's just go ahead and get into the top facts that I found interesting. Number 1, LeBron is left-handed when he writes, draws. If he were to use chopsticks, I bet it would be with his left hand. Those are for the more creative task. But the interesting thing is that he does everything else with his right hand. Shoot a basketball, throw a football. I bet anything, when it's time to bitch slap Lance Stevenson, it will be with the back of his right hand. I find this fascinating personally because I'm exactly the same way. I always thought it was just me and that it was a defense mechanism to protect my prized left hand. But now I see it might be more common than I thought, but it still feels good to be in such good company though. Number 2, in 2010 when LeBron decided to take his talents to South Beach, his Q rating, basically a popularity poll, went from 36% approval to 16%, guys. You have to understand that's usually a special place in PR hell, reserved for criminals, pedos, wife beaters, and all Bron wanted to do was go play at the beach. So let's fast forward 8 years, and now he's taking his talents to South Coast. Is he having the same backlash? I would say no, because
Fool me once. Shame on you. You fool me, we can't get fooled again.
Number 3, LeBron's mother Gloria had him when she was just 16 years old. Sadly, to a deadbeat dad that LeBron has never met to this day, and hopefully he never does. LeBron, I don't want you to meet your dad. Alright? She raised him all alone, moving from place to place to make ends meet. She spent a week in jail for disorderly conduct once. She sent LeBron to live with his coach for a year. LeBron missed more than half of his 4th grade because there was just too much going on. But Gloria, she came back strong and continued to accept any job that she could, working long hours, saving her money, and like any good mother, this part of the story really gets me, okay? She saved her money and it's bought him a Hummer. Look how happy he is. Number 4. LeBron says he has a photographic memory. Now anybody can recall all the greatest hits of one's life, but LeBron, he can recall some really obscure stuff. A former teammate quoted, so LeBron's freakish memory is somewhat like a built-in cheat code, okay? In basketball, he simply recalls a play you ran on him a year ago in a meaningless game on a Thursday, and he adjusts himself and his teammates to stop you that day. Hey, sounds fair to me. Now, this LeBron painting is on eBay right now. Links are in the description. But we will let the market dictate how much this piece will go for, so if you like it, go throw in a bid. Now after this video, we will give you a sample of next Wednesday's fun facts and fan art, and the subject will be Bruce Lee. I'm excited about this one, which I painted live on stream on twitch.tv/theleft-handed-monkey. Give the channel a follow for the next live session. I love input from the people, and it's always a good time. Chat gets to play music. Also, if you want your own custom commission piece done by me, just hit me up at theleft-handed-monkey@gmail.com. We'll hammer out the details and see if we can get a painting on your wall. You know, don't forget to sub to this channel for more. I am the Left-Handed Monkey. Much love. Thank you for watching the videos. Peace out.